Crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and this is number 12, day 12 in my 25 Days of Christmas. This is a kit from Anna Griffin, and it is the Snow Globe die set. And just love it. It, as always, the new ones come on the platform, the magnetic sheet. And this cuts like a dream, as you would expect. And it comes with all of these pieces, and show you a card that I made and some of the other cutouts that I did. So very cute. I love how it cuts out. It does also emboss. You can't see it on this pattern paper, but very, very nice. And how sweet is that? A little deer scene with some snowfall and trees in the background. Now, if you wanted to get foo-foo, you could cut these in green and cut those in sparkly and do all that sort of thing. I just made a shaker card out of it. You can also just cut out the pieces, which I've done here. And let's see, I'll show you on that. See if that shows up very well. This is the little house in the woods and that. And then it comes with the outside scalloped edge as well as the little bottom piece there. So very cute. Love the kit. Just got a chance to cut into this lately. It's been kind of busy around here. I'm a day late and $1 short, so if I'm a day late with my videos, so sorry about that. You know what I did? I took this packaging from my Gemini 3D embossing folders, which is very, very heavy, and the front peeled off. When you take and you kind of split the paper, and the glossy part came off when I peeled it off, and it had such a nice kind of a soft texture to it. You can't really see it very well, but it cut it so nice, and kind of smoothed it out when it went through, and I love the paper. So I'm gonna use my packaging when I can, to reduce and recycle and all that sort of thing. So that's pretty much what I do. So there you go. That's my project. Oh, and by the way, my shaker cards are not, I don't use the foam around them. I just take, again, packaging that I've had and just, tape around it on the outside, and then place it on, put my sprinkles in, put some double-sided tape around it again, and put another piece of the packaging on top of that. And so it doesn't make it so thick in order to send, because a lot of times when you have these extra big bulky cards, and as many as I'm sending out, it costs it'll be an extra 15 cents. So it adds up when you come down to 20-30 cards. So I try to make them as economical as I can. So this particular one, I made the flat shaker, but the shakers still move in there, and I don't mind that. So I don't I don't pretty much do the real thick foam around there for the shaker cards anymore. Anyway, there's my card for today, and I hope it's cruising along. We're getting there, down to the finish line, and we will talk to you real soon. Go craft. Bye.